When you share a project with a colleague, you or your colleague may need to add some notes. Microsoft Project lets you easily add notes to your project. Let's see how. Right-click on Task 1, select the Notes option, type the note, and click on OK. Most of the times, when you start a new project, you won't start it from scratch. You will probably use an existing project as a template for the new one. Microsoft Project lets you save a project as a template to accommodate this need. Go to the File menu, click on the Save As option, navigate to the required folder, select Microsoft Project Template as type, choose whichever option you want from the table, and save the file. You can use an existing project as is when creating a new one without the need to save it as a template. So why use templates? Because saving as a template lets you choose which of the data of the original project you want to keep in the template. For example, you may not want the resource rates to be saved inside the template because they change regularly and you will have to type them anyway. Go to the File menu, click on the Save As option, navigate to the required folder, select Microsoft Project Template as type, choose Resource Rates from the table to not save them, and save the file.